fit guys. So ito lang, very comfortable lang kasi sobrang init talaga, and yan, nag-basic top lang ako. Okay guys, so may convocation ngayon sa school and pupunta kami. So time check tayo, it's 7:54 and nagpe-prep lang ako guys. Kakalagay ko lang ng sunscreen ko as my primer. So ito yung gamit kong sunscreen. Adorn guys, ito yung gamit ko ngayon. And naglagay lang ako sa face ko for my base. Itong Lux Skin from Lux Cosmetics. If you guys interested, ilalagay ko to dyan sa baba, sa description box. So, visit nyo lang yung TikTok shop ko guys. And, i-blend ko lang siya like this. Yan siya. And, maglalagay lang pala ako ng lip balm habang nagpe-prep ako. Anyway, I am done. Mag-accessorize lang ako. And ayusin ko lang yung hair ko. So, stay tuned. Bracelet. Init. My fit guys, so ito lang, very comfortable lang kasi sobrang init talaga, and yan, nag-basic top lang ako and long skirt, so that's it. See you guys, bye!
From the grade 9 last year, we have Cyrus C. Career Advisor,
Okay guys, ayun, kakauwi lang namin. Galing kaming labas. At sobrang init dun sa labas guys. Kaya sobrang, ayan, lagkit na lagkit. And gusto mag-freshen up. Freshen up. Doon tayo ng malamig na matcha. And ngayon guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magtimpla ng matcha by request. So, na-request to ng pinsan ko. So, ito yung matcha na gamit ko. Nabili ko to sa TikTok shop. And, ayan guys, ganyan kadami yung lalagay natin na matcha powder. Saan yung ba? Yan, lagay ko dyan. And then, lagyan natin siya ng honey. Honey guys, kasi para sa mga nagbabawas ng timbang or nagda-diet. Pero kung hindi naman, pwede kayong gumamit ng condense. Pwede din siya. And then, konting water. Hot water to guys, para matunaw yung cream. Ay, cream. Yung powder. Ayan. Konti lang. I-dissolve lang natin yung powder. Froth lang natin like this. Yan, nasa sa inyo yun guys kung gaano ka-creamy. Kung gusto nyo sobrang creamy at foamy, pwede nyo i-froth ng bongga. Pero gusto nyo lang naman ng sakto lang. So, ako gusto ko. Hindi siya super foamy. So, lalagyan natin ng yellow yung baso. Ice. So, 3 lang yung ilalagay ko kasi ayoko na sobrang lamig. And yung milk na gagamitin ko is ito. Soy milk. Nasa sa inyo yun guys. Kung anong milk yung gusto nyo. Ako mas prefer ko to. Ayan guys, kung gusto nyo mas creamy yung milk nyo, may blue nito. Yung milky yung nakalagay dito. Yun yung bilhin nyo. Para mas masarap, mas creamy. Ako kasi gusto kong mabawasan yung timbang ko. So, low fat milk yung pinili ko. And then, ayan, ganyan yung milk. Tapos, hahalo lang natin siya. Yung ating mixture ng matcha. So, yun na siya guys. Sarap. Excited na ako. Mix lang natin siya. O, diba?
Beware of dropping very open doors. Okay.
Sarap.
Okay, I thought we were having a normal.
Perfect pang merienda ngayong tag-init.
Elsa, show yourself. What do you mean, show
Sarap.
yourself?
Guys, may niluto si Ate Edna. Hotdog na may tinapay. Baliktad. Tinapay na may hotdog pala. Yan, tikman natin.
Avoid places where you
Sarap.
don't want to have someone right there. Oh my, it's another samurai. We're about to have an epic samurai battle. That is what I'm talking about. Why is he a fish? You have a samurai sword? Holy. Bro, he sliced it. He turned the samurai sword into a trumpet. This is the weirdest looking samurai I've ever seen in my life. Why is he samurai clothes? I don't understand. Well, I guess this thief was no match for the samurai. Goodbye, thief. Go back where you came from. You just got sliced up. You stood no chance for the samurai. He literally...
Sarap.
What the?